What's up, guys? Today we're gonna take the back right wheel in because I curbed it last fall, and we're gonna take it in to get buffed out. Hopefully we can make it looking good again. So we're gonna swap that out, put the stock wheel on, and take that to the Wheelman here in Spokane. Alright, we got the wheel off, and now you can see the damage. It's about a third of the entire wheel. I was backing up and I thought I could cut the front wheel hard enough left, and did it last fall. Got the stockies on. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. It's like it's 2003 all over again. But yeah, we're gonna go take this, put this in my trunk, take it to the Wheelman, have him buff that out. Hopefully getting it looking as good as this lip here. So you can see we have some camber going on, and also this toast from that burnout I did last year. I got a full new set of tires that I'm throwing on this thing, but I wanted to get this wheel fixed first. And when I take all the wheels off, I have some new coilovers I'm putting on, new brakes, new angle kit, so I'm just trying to take care of it all. So these are just the steps to get it all taken care of at once. So we're gonna head to Wheelman and drop these wheels off. They said maybe early next week it'll be done, hopefully. And I'll get back to you when we pick them up. There she is. All right, let's head to the store. Some people ask why I have a hybrid if I'm a car guy. Well, you gotta save money somewhere. Look at that big old sign, Wheelman. So it should be somewhere in here. One of these offices. Oh, quality engine kits. I wonder what that is. Oh, there we go. Wheelman, come on. Fix my wheels. Let's go. Alright, Q60's back. It was throwing codes. It wasn't bled right. I didn't fill up the heat exchanger, so I wasn't able to, I guess, get all the coolant in there. So we're going to try and fill it up. We're about to start it. It took quite a bit of fluid. And then he's having a seat issue where the adjuster's not working, so we're gonna try the battery for about 10 minutes, and then he's just gonna take it to Nissan and see if they can find something. But I don't know what they'll find. Maybe redo the ECU or something. So let's start this chick up. This is like all identical to the Q50s.
Oh yeah, no.
That my buddies have. Have you been in those?
I've test drove one before I bought this car.
What made you choose two-door?
I just need a coupe. I ain't got no kids or nothing.
Yeah.
So.
Oh yeah. Feels a lot better.
Oh yeah, it moves, but I just don't know if it will just hold at RPM and just not go until I let off the gas. Mustangs.
Oh my god. That feels so much better.
I don't know. See if you can hold into it and see if it will keep going. Because yeah, it would literally. I couldn't even get up to like past 4.
Past 4.
Yeah, I think you went all the way up to like 6.
Oh my god.
Looks like it's working.
I think it was going to like 7,500 RPM.
Yeah.
What's the tune to? Do you know?
This is just a regular boost.
Do you know what
high boost?
Do you know what the rev limiter is?
No, I don't. I can look it up. You can adjust it.
That shit's scary. That's crazy.
It's not even a high boost map.
Yeah.
My buddy wants to race me against his FRS since it's boosted. So we'll see.
Just beat him on the low boost.
I don't know. He's pushing power though. My buddy rode in it too. He keeps up with his SRT. So
yeah, race him with low boost first, and then if you beat him, be like, that wasn't even the tune.
Full power.
Yeah, it's dying.
Yeah. So I was saying it will just hold. Yeah, that's what it does. I go full throttle and it will just hold.
And then like as you're letting off, you feel it.
Yeah, it jolts forward.
Yeah. Man, that sucks because it. Well, we'll check the fluid again. But the thing that sucks most is that if we can't get it into high RPMs, we can't get that water pump to kick on.
Yeah.
And then it won't cycle that fluid.
Shit.
But if you're going to Nissan today, just have them
bleed it for me.
Yeah, they can hook up their tester and bleed it fast. Ask them how much it is. Oh, there's cops. FTP. Just kidding, my dad's a cop. Don't tell him I said this.
Same.
They let me do it that time.
Yeah, that's why I was like, it will do it and then it won't. But like, it's weird.
So it takes itself out of limp mode and then.
I have no idea. Like
Yeah, there it goes.
That's what it does.
So unfortunately today we could not get the car out of limp mode. We tried to bleed it. First it was, the reservoir was low on coolant, so obviously when the heat exchanger cycled, it dropped the fluid level. So I used my slow fill neck on it that's supposed to keep air pockets from forming. And then after that it still had the coat up. So I tried to bleed it with that top coolant line. We were able to get some air out of it, and then it started shooting a solid stream. So I figured, so then it started having like a solid stream of fluid. Put it back on, revved it up, tried to get that water pump to turn on, but we couldn't really get it to turn on because it was already going in limp mode and it was bringing the RPM down. So we were just having issues, and after about 2 tries of manually bleeding with the water line, he already has a appointment for his seat settings, where it saves your seats. So he's going to go into Nissan and have them hook up a tool in order to turn on his water pump for his heat exchanger and bleed the system. I told him it'll take them like 10 minutes to bleed his system with the right tools. Unfortunately, I don't have that kind of equipment, and so he's going to let me know as soon as he finds out if they can get it bled and get that code to stop popping up. But for that short pull that I had, it feels good. Like, I can't wait till he brings it back and we can see what it really does. But it's right now it's on its low boost setting and it feels really good. I can only imagine high boost. So maybe it'll be back on my channel. If not, I'll update you guys later when he lets me know what's going on with it. So thanks for watching. See ya. What up, guys? We're going back today to grab the wheels, see how good they well, just one wheel, see how good he fixed the curb rash that I had on it. It's been like a week and a half since I dropped it off. He got it done in a few days, but I was out of town for work and I didn't bring my camera because I didn't do any like anything with cars. So yeah, we're gonna go pick those up, see how it looks. Hopefully it looks good. It was kind of deep and it was long. It was probably about 1.5 foot of damage. So we'll see how it looks. Let's go. I just got home from the shop. Boom. There we go. I got my work shirts dirty. Dang it. But yeah, check that out. Man, I had curb rash on here probably from here to here. It was a lot. I think I showed it in video. But yeah, if you live in Spokane, I recommend Wheelman Spokane. At least for my first wheel. We'll see what happens next. Oh yeah, 4-lug gang.
Big dog man, what you like for?